Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you really quickly how you can flip photos and images in your documents on Microsoft Word. So let us dive into this. Alright, head over to your document and add a new photo or image by clicking on Insert here at the top, by selecting Pictures, and by selecting your device source, like for example your computer or laptop, locate the file on your computer and upload it here to your document. So once you have uploaded and added your image to your document, guys, what you want to do is simply left click on your image to select it, and here at the top you will see a tab called Picture Format. So select it, and here inside the Picture Formatting menu, what you want to do is, guys, pay attention to the Arrange section here, and from here make sure that you click on that arrow down icon next to Rotate and simply select your preferred flipping, like a vertical or horizontal flipping, and just like that you may also rotate it by 90 degrees and so on and so forth, guys. So it's super simple, as you can see. That's how it works. That's how you flip images in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.